Hi guys, kite time or kite repair time. If you've watched the previous videos, picked this one up in a charity shop, AE Sports General Exit 1.6 meter Delta Sport kite. Cost me £5, which is expensive for me to buy something in a charity shop for £5. Funnily enough, there's another one there that I bought quite a while ago, same size. That one only cost me £2. So that gives you an idea of the sort of price I like to pay. Anyway, I flew it briefly when I got it just to check it flew. And then I flew it again yesterday in some reasonably strong winds. Initially it was quite calm, but the wind did pick up. And when I'd finished flying and I examined it, this little fitting has broken. It's just sort of rubberized plasticky stuff. It's the bit that fits just here, or at least on that side. And it's the connection for this spreader, or whatever we call this spar. So that should go across there, and then that bit holds it onto that spar. So the quick and easy fix, I hope, would be use this bit of fuel tubing. I had a bigger kite that broke in a similar place, and I bought this bit of fuel tubing and some slightly bigger fuel tubing because that had 6mm spars, and I used the bigger fuel tubing on that one. This one's got thinner spars, and that tubing just happens to be the right size to go on there. So what I'm going to do is cut a fairly short length of this, push a hole through one side of it and put it on at an angle. So this spar goes in the bottom and sticks out the side. You'll see when I've done it. And then this spar sticks in there, so it actually gives us the angle that we want. I could try drilling a hole through it, which is another thought, but at the moment I've got this idea which I've used before. It's just to cut this off, hole in the side, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. Right, we've gone from that to a piece that long, and then I've cut a V section into it. You might have noticed I was trying to get away without using a tripod, but I've had to put the camera on the tripod now. Okay, so the other spar, which is actually in the kite at the moment, is going to have to go through here and out through there. And then this spar actually goes in there. I'm demonstrating on here because it's easier to get hold of just for demonstration. I'll now see what we can do with this one. I've got to disconnect it. I'm rather hoping we can get the end pieces off. Oh yes, that's slid off easily. And the trouble is, we've got to get this up to here. So it looks like that piece. In fact, it might be a good idea if I cut off 3 more pieces like this, so I can take them with me in case these break when we're on holiday, because I'm off on holiday again tomorrow. because by the time you see this video I'll have been back for the best part of a month, because that's how I do my videos, a long way in advance. Right, so that one, it looks like that just unclips. Is that fixed or is that going to unclip? That's probably going to break when I unclip it, isn't it? Or is it glued in place? Surely it's not glued in place. Oh, it is. Well, that's annoying. Right, the bit I'm trying to move is this little piece here that makes sure you have it in the right place. But it looks like they've actually glued it in place, so I'll have to try and knock it off, tap it off, and then re-glue it when I've slid this piece up into position. Panic over it. If it was glued in position, it's come off easily. I've just pushed it and it's come unclipped. And conveniently we can see where it was, so we can put it back in the right place. I think it was glued, but just pushing it from one side it's come off easily. So now we've got to try and get this on. I'm just wondering whether I can actually slide it up. No, it's not going to be wide enough. I'm going to have to take it all off to get it out. That's annoying. Keep forgetting to film it as I'm doing it. I've just unclipped the next one up as well. So now I can slide this all the way along. Just wondering if it'll be false economy not to do it at the same time. We'll stick to plan A for now. So slide that all the way off. Check that we do this the right way round. So we're going through there and through there like that. This is going to be a slightly tighter fit. Fool. Just slide it up there at the same time. When we get up there, we've got to remember to put the other one back on. Right, put that. That one's on top. Put that one on there. Keep going. Probably be better with two hands. More assistance. Probably a good reason for not filming it while I'm doing it, because I'm making a right mess of it. Come on, slide back a bit. Got to get that back on. Okay. Okay, so that's up there nicely. Find the position where that was. That back on, and I'll put a little bit of glue there as well. And then this one, there's the mark where that one was. Right, Just have a look, see if it goes together. Okay, so that's in there. That goes on there. Goes on there. That one clips on there. So, on the face of it, repaired. I will put a bit of glue on there, like I said. Just turn it around a bit so I can look at the other side. Yeah, I think that's done the job. And that piece goes in there. So there we are. For now, repaired. Don't know how good that will be, but at the moment it looks okay. I will cut 3 more pieces like that and put them in my kite bag so I can take them away, just in case it all goes wrong on holiday. And a bit of glue on both of them, just little dots of super glue, I would think. Mustn't forget to put that bit on. There we go. Right, ready to fly. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.